Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Whiskey Dream Burger. First thing we got to do is make the Whiskey Dream barbecue sauce, which consists of adding a half a cup of ketchup, then add a quarter cup of brown sugar. Then you want to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. One of these days I'll learn to pronounce Worcestershire sauce correctly. Then a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. That is, of course, to taste. Because remember, while we're cooking this, make sure you taste as it cooks. Then you want to add about a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Then 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. And lastly, a quarter cup of bourbon. Then you want to stir this all around. And then you want to place this on a burner over about medium heat, and then you want to just slowly simmer this for about 20 minutes or so, stirring fairly frequently as it cooks. All right, and then let it cool and add it to a condiment bottle. All right, next step. Okay, on a griddle over medium heat, it's time to add 1/3 pound patties. And then, of course, we season our patties with salt and pepper. I'm using kosher salt like I normally do. And basically, you just want to cook these till they're done. Time to give these a nice little flip. Okay, and when the burgers are nearly done, it's time to add the cheese. This is just 2 slices of medium cheddar. And then gonna blast it with a little bit of water here. There we go, a little water, create a little steam to melt up the cheese. All right, let's get ready for assembly. Okie dokie. Got a nicely toasted bun. Add in some shredders to this. And then we're going to add our patty. Add some tomatoes. And I know they don't usually bring it up, but make sure you salt and pepper your tomatoes as well. Just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, kind of wakes them up a little bit. Okay, and then we want to add some pickles. Now, what didn't get shown was on the top bun, I added some mayonnaise and some French's fried onions on the top bun. Why I didn't film it, I don't know. And then you just want to drizzle some of our Whiskey Dream barbecue sauce on the top patty. And then put the top bun on. And that's it. The Whiskey Dream Burger. Done.